have you gone? Where have you been for so long?
Okay, this is my corridor. It's very dirty right now. I brought some like red chilies yesterday. So that's my kitchen garden. I have chili and yeah, flowers over there. So yeah.
Shoulders of giants, making self-reliant on the fine. That's the way the world is. Rebels and heretics, it's all the same. So you can keep on running your charade while I keep on running and gunning in my parade. Doesn't have to make you feel good, just doesn't have to wreck everyone else. I had things that never got done. It doesn't matter now if I'm having fun. All the trees don't lie, they don't steal a cheat, but a tree can't change the world. That's how we got them beat. 'Cause I came here to talk and I spent twice as much time listening. Yeah. And when you know I'm the way that things we are here. And what does it matter now that all I have is this buzzing in my ear? Oh, 'cause I came here to talk and I spent twice as much time listening. Yeah. When I'm ready, I'll attack the words, give it everything I've got. But what's left is food.
Yeah, I'm just done with cleaning and taking rest right now. And meanwhile, I had ice cream that comes in different flavors. It's empty right now. Like it was last piece left in my fridge. So it's sunny outside and quite hot inside as well. So I had this ice cream and yeah, taking rest. So I don't have much things to share. My room is kind of empty. But still then, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next vlog. Take care. Bye bye. Bhutan, but it's very hot here. That's public ground. This is Gelpo bus station. Okay.
Buku pun dengan gipu pun juara amoy.
Hangya.
Hemle buku pun jualan buku.
50 당연히 per piece.
Tengo como un cuichane.
Ano mo? Nag-speak nila o siya na. So we are done with shopping and yeah, going back. Going back, and yeah, earlier we went to that shop Enterprise. I don't know, maybe and then see. Yeah, we're going back. Hello, yeah, I'm back and just going for a walk. That's me. Yeah, that one is Pool Cafe. It's the only swimming pool located in Bhutan area. I've never been inside, not for swimming. Okay, I'm going back. I'm going back because I don't feel so secure to go for a walk all alone because there are so many guys. I don't know, I don't mean like they are nutty. I'm going back because I'm kind of afraid. I don't mean like they are bad guys, but who knows, right? I can see like group of them, you know, just shouting, singing and all. I'm just scared. I'm back to room from my evening walk. That's all about my weekend. It's so boring, right? It's so boring, and actually that's the usual thing that I used to do during my weekends, week off, you know. So yeah, now I will have dinner, then do my evening prayer. We'll go to bed because tomorrow early morning again I have to get ready for my work. This whole weekdays I will be busy, and yeah, I hope to see you probably in my next vlog end of the week. Yeah, everyone take care, stay healthy, and yeah, thank you for watching.
Jagi se chogi se zon